best ways to hypnotize yourself are to recognize that you are already doing hypnosis daily. It doesn't have to become a ceremonious routine. It doesn't even take a lot of time. What it takes is focus. And we can focus on something and shift something in our subconscious in that story instantly in just a couple of seconds. It's longer and harder to explain than it is for us to actually do, because we are doing this all of the time. All of us, everyone with a mind, doesn't matter how smart or intelligent or creative you are, everybody's brain is daydreaming. Everybody also is night dreaming. Do you remember your night dreams? Are you aware of your daydreams? Maybe, sometimes. It doesn't matter. That's not what it is that I'm here to help you understand. Instead, I want you to wake up and be in control of your own hypnosis. Other people are not going to have any better power at hypnotizing you or controlling your mind. You are factually best one. And in the hypnosis industry, we always know it is self-directed neuroplasticity. You are changing your brain all the time. It is like lightning. All the neurons that are flashing inside of your brain, it is changing the ways that you think through different experiences. Everything that you interpret in emotionally, chemically, electrically as your story, even if it's just pretend or perceived, is making changes. And now that you have a better picture of what is happening already in your self-tranced hypnosis story, maybe you are ready for some simple solutions. You can join me every Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern. My name is Lauren. I'm a modern day hypnosis ambassador, supporting these tools to hand them to you so that you can wake yourself up.